Hey guys, here I am back, I am alive. I was just taking a little break from YouTube by not uploading videos, but here I am again with another PS4 video. So I'm having another error, blinking orange light, and we are gonna fix that. So if you have a blinking orange light after you turned it off or put it on sleep mode, I actually put it on sleep mode, but it says no signal and the orange light is still blinking. And if you have a pair of headsets on, it will be turned on. These are Razer Kraken 7.1 chromos, and they're not supposed to be turned on. The lights are on, they're supposed to be off. And what we can do to solve this orange blinking light problem is by unplugging it right there. So we're gonna do that right now. Great, we unplugged it, it stopped blinking, the lights are off. No signal, of course. I'm gonna plug it in again. And now it is dead silent right now. We're gonna turn it on. Do it again. Oh, goddamn, focus already. This thing is not focusing the camera. Come on. There we go. Alright, system check. Storage status. Checking the system storage status. So just let that load up. And we wait. My gosh, the screen is too bright for my camera. That's why I can't focus that good. Maybe because there's daylight outside the window. I don't know, but it just can't focus. Alright, we're getting some power. There's the startup PlayStation logo. Okay, so the PS4 was not turned off properly, and now I got the orange light. The white light was first, then the blue light. Now it's the orange light. So yeah, that's all you gotta do. Unplug it if you ever get one of those blinking lights. Okay, and that's how you fix it. Simply just unplug it. Anyways guys, I hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe for more vids like this, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Okay, I didn't end it.